everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your first week of January reading. Start from the 1st to the 7th of January 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Aries. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added. So, yeah, stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So, always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see what is happening for Aries in this week time, which has already started. Let's begin the read. Let's see. The Magician. 10 of Wands. I feel like you're starting with the week feeling very happy, excited, as if you have all the powers, all the techniques that you need right now. You have all the money, you have all the power, you have all the passion, and you have all the love that you want. And that energy is not going to last long. A day or two time, maybe around the 3rd or 4th of January, something is going to end for you. Something is going to make you, it's going to be like a shake up or a wake up thing happening for you in on the 3rd or maybe around the 2nd or 3rd of January, where you're going to feel like, oh my God, like, what happened? I thought otherwise. I felt like, this year is going to be like this and this, and then this, something ends, something happens which makes you feel otherwise now. Now, with whatever it is that is ending, be that love life situation, be that a job situation, whatever that is ending, whatever that is leaving your life right now, it is not good for you. Whatever that you were feeling in the very beginning, that everything is going to be perfect, and your attitude towards life was very positive, that's right. Whatever that is ending, it wasn't right for you. It wasn't the best for you in your situation. And maybe the universe is taking this thing away from you to give you, to bless you with something that you are deserving of, because you have all that you want now to have the life that you desire. Now, whatever that is ending is exactly, maybe you think that this is what you desire or this is what you want, but the universe is bringing you much more than what you have asked for, is what I'm picking up. So let's see more cards here. Let's see first, what is it that's ending? But yeah, whatever that is ending, I think, like, you're gonna have some low moments around it, but you just need to relax. Everything is going to be fine. Let's see. You might be experiencing some sort of change happening in your life, like the change is going to be sudden, which is going to make you question a lot of your 2021 plans. You're going to feel like, oh my God, I was thinking, like, I can have this and that, and then that one thing ends. I mean, maybe you were planning to have a vacation with your person, and then the relationship ends, and it's like, you are so upset with the sudden development happening for you. But again, whatever is ending, whatever it is that is changing in your life, it's for your better. Just have that firm belief, so it doesn't get you any anxiety around it. It doesn't get you depressed, because maybe you cannot see the bigger picture right now, because you were too focused on one thing, and maybe you were too focused on let me give you an example. Maybe if you are eating a slice of pizza, your pizza just your slice of pizza, you just drop the slice of pizza. Now you thought that this was the only pizza slice that I had, and then comes somebody who is offering you a whole pack of pizza, full pizza or something. So it's going to be that kind of a situation. Whatever that you are losing right now, whatever it is that is going away from you, it's going to bring you something major, something beautiful, something bigger than what you have asked for or what you already had. So just think about the ending that way, and you will be happy that whatever that was ending for you was a good thing for you. For some of you, you might have to put maybe for some of you, your travel plans could get delayed. If that's happening, again, know that it is somehow bringing you a lot of blessings for you. um let's see. Yeah, maybe you have to cancel your travel because of certain situations. And again, maybe you are just overthinking about it, and you feel like, oh my God, I had a plan to see my boyfriend, I had a plan to see my family, I had a plan to see my girlfriend, And if that plan get delays, it's good for you. Why? Because something better is going to happen, something good is going to happen. Maybe meeting your person this time would have been better, bad for the two of you. Maybe, the situation, maybe the planetary movements were not good for you to meet up this time. So if something delays, if something ends, if a plan can get cancelled, know that it is good for you. And just take it from a positive perspective. Let's see more cards here. um, you had a little bit of you had basically high hopes with whatever it is that is ending. You thought it's just going to be a different, it's going to be a game changer for you. For some of you it can be a travel plan to see your person, and maybe you were expecting them to propose you, or you were expecting to have a happy married life for this person, and then something happens and this plan gets cancelled. um, Whatever happens, maybe for some of you, maybe the people in this situation is going to making you feel miserable more than what it is actually. Like, maybe whatever plan that gets cancelled, maybe people are going to start telling you maybe your person did it purposely, maybe they didn't want this and that. There will be people around you who are going to corrupt your mind around the situation, with feeding you with negative mindset, negative thoughts around the situation. If that happens, try to avoid them. Try not to get to their opinions around the situation heavily on yourself, because whatever connection you have with a specific someone, I always mention that in the personal readings as well. If even if I say something, it's just more like, it's like, the equation that you both share is altogether a different thing. The vibe, the energy, because a person who has been with someone for so long would know them, the person so well already. But sometimes what happens is we tend to not listen to our inner guidance, and we just shut that inner call. Now, in situations like this, if you listen to the third person situation, um, and you let them corrupt your mind, what happens is, they are going to be guiding you through their own experiences. Maybe, if something happened in their life that way, maybe their person had cheated on them, and they are going to guide you with their own experience. Now, if I being not a tarot reader, if I guide you, I will guide you about this situation based on my experience, how my experience was. Would I suggest you to to give the situation, give the person benefit of doubt, or would I suggest you to leave this person, maybe they are cheating on you? It all depends on how my personal experience has been. So now it's very important for you to maybe take their opinion if you want to, but make decision based on your own opinion. For some of you, you might end a connection based on other people's opinion. If that happens, it's going to lead you towards a bad situation. But if a plan is getting cancelled and you are taking stress around it, that's perfectly fine. You will have this stress for a few days maybe, but ultimately you're going to be okay with that, because you would have this firm belief that something better would be planned, and then you are going to meet, and then maybe things going to get even bigger and better between the two of you. Maybe your person is going to have this guilt in them, and then they're going to do something more to make you happy. So it will eventually be a good thing. But if you let people guide you, dictate you, that this should be your next step, then it's going to be wrong for the two of you. So just know what you need to do. I feel like, for some of you, you will have to make a decision because of this situation that's going to end. Um, but don't, again, it's going to be very, you know, whatever decision you make during this time, make sure you're not taking this decision based on a third person, because it's not going to be the right decision. You have to basically see through things, wait on for things to get clear to you, because there is something that you are unaware of. Maybe if the plan is getting cancelled, maybe your person is dealing with some shit in their life. If that happens, give them the benefit of doubt and wait on for them to speak up about the situation. Don't let people tell you to take a wrong decision there. Just be careful with that. For some of you, if it's whatever that is ending, I feel like whatever that is ending is good. Whatever that is getting cancelled is good. Now it's up to you how you know as long as whatever that is ending is ending and you are not taking any action towards it, it's all good. But if you start taking action, about whatever that didn't work, and then you take an action and take, end a connection with a specific someone because of that ending that happened. The reaction to this situation is going to be very important this week time, because if you take a wrong decision, it's just gonna, put you in the wrong situation with your specific someone. Because I feel like, there is something that you are unaware of. So just let the, things, whatever it is that is happening in your life during this week time, come to light. Maybe it's gonna come for you in this week time. For others of you, maybe it's gonna come to light in the next week time. Maybe you are going to get to know what the reason was in the next week time. So just have patience around it. Don't take any major decision now. Let's see the oracle cards now. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Emotions are running high. You will be getting very emotional because of this delay, this ending, whatever it is that is happening in your life during this time with your specific someone. But it's time for you to relax. Just be patient and let the clarity come for you. Mysticism, there is something that you are unaware of, and you are going to be like, maybe you will be misguided by the people around you. Just be careful with that. Just know that something is not out in the open yet, so just wait for that time to come. So only then make your decision. Sensitivity, you are extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. Don't let people tell you what to do again. Listen to your inner calling around the situation, and you will be guided through this, situation. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. And if you are willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.